Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today we'll be learning how to change name in Terabox, and now let's dive right in. Now to change your name in Terabox app, first open up a Terabox app on your phone, and after opening your Terabox app guys, on this interface at the top left corner of the screen you can see the three-lined icon available for us. Tap on your three-lined icon at the top left corner of the screen, and this kind of panel will appear where at the top of this panel you can see guys your name available for us. Tap on your name at the top of this panel and you land over here. Now in order to change your name on Terabox, you can see the nickname option available for us. Tap on the nickname button over here, and at the bottom you can see guys a place where you'll be able to edit your name in Terabox has appeared. Now make the edits to which you want to change your name on Terabox, and after changing your name guys, tap on the OK button at the top right corner of that interface over here guys. So let's do it again. Tap on OK button over here and it will take a moment, and after that guys your name on Terabox will be changed. So let's go back and view on the panel again, and you can see guys at the top of the screen your name in Terabox has been changed. And with that being said guys, this is how to change name in Terabox, and if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.